Hey there everybody, today is Thursday, the 20th day of September, my goodness, it's September, not November, 2023, it's about 3:18 or something in the afternoon, something like that, and what you're looking at here is the Coleman RV Park at Coleman Park in Brownfield, Texas. I want to start up here and show you, they got 5 back ends here those are all empty, of course. There's 5 more that goes right here, and you can see one guy is in there, but there's 4 other spots there, so that's 10. Right here in this third row, there are 5 more down through here, and then on that last one out there, there's another 5. So they now have 20 spots here. When you look online, I think it says 12, but they've obviously expanded this very recently, and most of these are pull-throughs, but these, for the most part, are really back ends because there's a big curb over there that you can't get out. But you can see pretty good size RVs can fit in here. But see, that's a spot, and there would be a spot there, and of course that's in a spot. This is a spot that's empty right next to us right there, and we are at 5A is ours. I'll show that to you in a minute, but see over there some of the other, which is in those 5 spots. So here's the deal. This is a free campsite. You can actually stay here for 5 nights in a row for free, absolutely for nothing at all. You get water and electric here, and right across the street again, you can see we are right here on this end at 5A, and then there's this big water thing here, and you see I'm parked on this side of that. Okay, I'll restart my video from here, so hopefully I don't miss out on any details, but I know I was saying in the part where this went crazy. You can see where we're at over there. You got that big water thing there, and we're parked here, and then you got the road out here. This is where you come into this place, by the way. Out there is the main road. Anyway, right here across the street, this here is the dump station, because as I told you, you get water and electric here. And here's your dump station right here. And you can see right up here is a sign with the rules. 5-day limit, pets allowed on leash, donations appreciated. So in that vein, you look over here, and here is a donation box, and that we will be making one here. You can see RV trailer park. So there you go. Anyway, this here is Coleman Park, and if you play disc golf, we've played it every day since we've been here, which has been 3 days, and we are going to leave tomorrow morning. We're not staying the 5. We are moving on to another place, and I'll let you know about that when it happens. But let me see, what can I tell you about this place? There's all these spaces, of course. It has been actually pretty busy. I mean, there was 13, 14 people in here up till yesterday, and then they've kind of been dropping out. We've lost 4 or 5 today. Anyhow, this disc golf course in this park is 18 holes. So, and you can just walk right to it. You have to walk over through there to get to where hole 1 is, but that's okay. You get a little exercise that way. And let me see. I use T-Mobile for phone, and it cuts out quite a bit here, so it's hit and miss, honestly. I mean, it mostly works, but it'll just drop out and stay gone for a few minutes and then come back. I've not been to any place else that's done that, so that's been kind of strange, actually. TV channels, you can pick up some, but honestly, I can't hardly get any of them to actually record and pick up anything in that way. The signals are too weak. So for over-the-air TV, it's not a good location at all. They also advertise free internet here, free Wi-Fi. But I'm not complaining about it because there is none. So it's not true what it says when you go to the official site and look at it. It says that you get free Wi-Fi, but there's none here whatsoever. So, but again, hey, it's totally free. It don't cost anything, so I'm not complaining. Here's your hookup here. You see it's just 30 amp, just so you know. Your water's over here, and you see you share it with this other site. so the other person can get into there. And this is their hookup. And that's the breaker up there. You can see there's a 110 and a couple of 110s on this side if you needed to use them. And then, you know, this is a new space right here. So my space kind of cuts off here. But you can see again, we got plenty of space here. So it's been a decent place to stay. The free price, of course, you just cannot beat that. So I like that. And, you know, what else can I tell you? They show that there's a walking track here in this park, but there's not. It's actually just the roads that people drive through it that you can walk on. The town of Brownfield here, which is where this is at. I don't know if I even said that or not, but it's Brownfield, Texas. There's a United supermarkets here. There's a Dollar General market. There's a regular Dollar General store. There's a Dollar Tree and a Family Dollar in this town. So that's what you can look for to have here. Other than that, I don't think I'm missing anything. So, you know, if you're looking for a place to come and maybe if you have some other phone service, maybe that internet will work even better for you. I don't know. But again, you can stay here for 5 full days and nights. Now that right over there, I guess I will tell you that building over there, that's the animal shelter. So you do get some barking, but only in the daytime. You don't hear it at night. The noise for the traffic out here, it goes away. You can see it's not even bad right now, but it gets even better at night. So that has not been a problem either. Other than that, don't know what else to tell you. Hopefully this helps you out on your travels if you ever, you know, come this way up in the Panhandle. And I guess I will see you on the next video. Take care of yourself now. Bye.